Hello, guys. I want us to do a quick overview of Bitcoin, where we might expect the price of Bitcoin to go to. This is the heat map, and as you can see, we can clearly see here this yellowish area. This is around $66,000. I think Bitcoin can go towards that area for the next 24 hours. This is pretty damn serious. There's a lot of money getting into cryptocurrencies, into Bitcoin through the ETFs. You can see the next move that we can see Bitcoin go to before moving to the upside for the next 24 hours is around $60,331. And that might happen during the UK session, but I think this week could be a pretty decent week for Bitcoin. And as I mentioned, this is the target, this is the area here. So you guys should just pay attention. Look at your altcoins, look at the ones that are about to break out, the ones that are above the 50-day EMA. If say Bitcoin breaks and they are above the 50-day EMA on the 50 minutes time frame and the 1 hour time frame, then you should go all in and cash out some profit on Sunday or Saturday evening. And if say we look at this also, we can see that for the past 4 hours, 526K long has been liquidated for Bitcoin alone. Audi is the second. We also have Solana, yeah, Pepe. We have Doge, we have Filecoin, ID, others, and there's so many of them. Yeah, but I think the most we should have had liquidation is all the Ethereum, Solana, BTC. For the past 1 hour, for the past 24 hours. Let's see which one are topping. BTC, of course, 79 million, Ethereum, 44 million, then Solana, 22 million, Doge, Filecoin, and so on. So, yeah, I think we are going to see more liquidations here, and Binance, of course, is the top on the list. 59, we have OKX, Bybit, Wobit, and we can see total liquidation charts. You can see all this data here, and this is for those who are longing or those who are playing with leverage in the market. So don't play with high leverage in the market. And if we look at the price of BTC right now, the chart of BTC, you can see that on the daily time frame, I'm seeing this like maybe, well, we can see Bitcoin retrace to kiss this 5-day moving average, and after that, then it can move right up to 66,000. You can see the next target is not just, it's not far away. You can see it's just closer. But we are good because the alpha trend is pointing up, and all these moving averages are up. So we are good to go. Now, let's look at the ETF overflow. The ETF overflow is really damn alarming. For the past 24 hours, we have seen, look at this volume, guys. The volume is like crazy. Let me refresh this so maybe we can get some awesome data. Yeah, guys, the ETF is causing supply shock. For crypto, for Bitcoin, the price of Bitcoin is going that high. Let's move downward here to see. Okay, let me just go up and check out the asset outflow. So we can see, scroll down to check. You can see here for the on the 29, this is the 27. I think, let's see if I'm not mistaken. This is the 27. Yeah, we had about total inflow about 46 billion. So let's check on Bitcoin flows. Let's check on this one. Yeah. On the same thing, we have about, that was plus 80, plus 618 million. That was like came into cryptocurrency, that came into Bitcoin for that matter. When there's high demand and low supply, the price of that asset is gonna automatically move to the upside. And if say we look at the total overview, we're gonna see that the total volume is 6.67 billion, and the total market cap is 44.62 billion, and the total AUM is 42.79 billion. So we can see this rise right up to 50 billion, 1 trillion. We are still in the early stage of the ETF, and we haven't seen anything yet. We are seeing that how these guys are, accumulating more Bitcoin. Look at the volume for Grayscale alone is about 35.41 million. This is huge. I mean, of course, some people will say it's nothing as compared to what they have seen in most other in other ETFs. You can see the volume here, 2.07 billion for Grayscale alone. Then iShare Bitcoin Trust, they have 1.9 billion, and this is their turnover. Look at the turnover rate is 7.62%. For iBit is 48%. So guys, these guys are making a lot of money doing all this, providing these services, and the clients are paying all these fees. Look at their market caps, and this is the reason why Bitcoin price is moving that drastically to the upside. And when these guys have cash out profits, most of these guys who are holding this ETF, there are people who have lots of money and they want to have exposure to Bitcoin, and that's why they see them getting this ETF. So I will say to you that look at your altcoins. Don't feel as if your coin are yet pump. We could still gonna see huge pump in the market. This weekend maybe you're gonna see some few altcoins pump, or maybe Bitcoin's not pump. But still you wanna be in Bitcoin more. Don't rush and allow these guys to dump on you, be on Bitcoin more. And if say something bad is gonna happen during the weekend, of course you'll be safe with Bitcoin. That's just what I want you guys to understand. If say you are not part of my Telegram group, make sure you join my Telegram group. The link is below this video. And if say you wanna know what I'm buying and selling real time, then join my VIP group. If you wanna join my VIP group, then let me know at the general group, the general Telegram group, and I'm gonna tell you how to join my VIP group. Those who are in my VIP group, instantly when I buy, they get. Instantly when I sell, they get. And also I do some TA there to try to enlighten them on different aspects of the market. So if you want to take advantage of all this, then make sure you are part of my Telegram group. All right, guys, see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Ciao.